just got a package from Kirk and Elena Tang, and I think I know what it is. Let's unbox this together, though. This has been something special that took a lot of work. Yeah, I think it's the board game. The Creative Finance board game itself. None like it. Didn't cut myself. We're off to a really good start. That's a lot of tape, Kirk. You guys need a warehouse guy, and you don't have a budget on how much tape to use. Kirk is your man. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Fantastic. Beautiful. Craftsmanship. You got all the people on here. Main names. Yeah. Caricatures. Yeah, they're cards, but they've got people's names on them. So I'm in there as like a transaction coordinator king or something like that. We have a list of the rules. Wonderful. I've played it. Wow, the quality on these cards, they're really sharp. Like there's the Pace Morby one. They're clean. The back has really cool art from Pace's office. Got your money cards, your action cards, more money cards, so much money. Got all of our chips. It's version 1, people. Got all of our little chips in here. This is fantastic. Then you got your deal type cards. These were a lot of interesting perspectives to make these. You got a wrap deal, all the different deal type cards, long-term rental. We started this a long time back. So we got wraps, long-term rental, multifamily, BRRRRs, lots of different deal types. So they all vary a little bit. They have different price points. I can't wait to play it. I'm going to break out I got to bust out the board game itself. Unboxing. First edition. Did he sign it? Did he autograph it? Kirk, where's my autograph? I'm glad to have been a part. This is incredible. Look at the quality. Like, nice board. Dun, 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 dun. We can do, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 players. You lay your deal cards down. You play the game. Or you place your deal in escrow. Oh, that was my favorite part, was when we figured out how to run a turn. One turn is everybody gets to run through their deal, but then you place it in the escrow account. And some of the dynamics of the game are that you've got special skills and you got money and you haven't had a chance to do your deal yet. So when somebody else has a deal come up, they put theirs in escrow. You haven't even got your deal yet. Well, do you want to partner up on that one? Because you don't know what's about to come across the table. So there's all this opportunity cost, like, I spent all my money on John's deal. And now this great deal comes across my table and I can't get it done. Well, if somebody else has enough money, they can be the lender on yours. And you can still do all the things just like you do in real life to negotiate deals and terms. It's like you can still take down a deal through partnerships. So I love it. Fantastic. I'm super excited to play this again. I need to host a party and play the game. Thank you, Kirk.